Hey guys, just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know there are two videos releasing tonight. One at 6 p.m., one at 8 p.m. The one at 6 p.m. is a video that I had done about how to repair the EM pump that we have. I also upgraded it a little bit as well. So some good information in there. If you've never built an EM pump, it kind of gives you a little bit of idea on how to build one. They're not hard. You know, and if you need any kind of help, all you gotta do is comment in the video. I'll help you out with whatever you need. The second video is our Poast family grave video. That one's actually pretty good and goes along with the Poast Town videos that we have done. So just check them both out. One is at 6 p.m. tonight, one is at 8 p.m. So I hope you guys like them both, and don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share. And we also have another big investigation coming up tomorrow. We are going to be doing some live on there as well. It might be a mix of TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, maybe even YouTube. I don't know. But it's going to be at the Twin City Opera House in McConnellsville, Ohio. So be sure to stay tuned for that. We don't have any times yet. We're kind of just, you know, throwing it together last minute because we got a couple other things that we're trying to do, and we're down quite a few people on this investigation. So there's only 4 of us going. So unless we can pull somebody else together, that's pretty much all we have for this one. So we're going to be quite busy. I'll try to nail some times down tomorrow if I can. If not, just stay tuned. We'll be posting it pretty much anywhere and everywhere when we figure it out. So we've got a lot planned. This one should be really cool. We're going to get some nice aerial footage and stuff too. So I also should mention that these videos I'm referring to are all on YouTube. So if you don't know what our YouTube channel is, either look into links and stuff here on this profile, or just type in youtube.com/c/E.V.P.S paranormal. It should be pretty easy to find. If not, comment somewhere and I'll drop a link to where you can just click it and go. That's usually where we put our full length videos at. If there's going to be anything other than that, I'll let you know. Sometimes we do some stuff on Instagram, TikTok, just kind of like short stuff, and every once in a while we'll do a live on there. But I try to spread it out a little bit as much as I can. But the major videos like that, they're always going to be on YouTube. So any questions, comments, whatever, just drop them below. I'll try to field them as best I can. Appreciate it, guys.